The remote start operating range is approximately 200 feet from the vehicle. For remote start to function, the car must be in park with the ignition off and all doors must be closed and locked. Laws in some communities and states may restrict or forbid the use of remote starters or require a person using remote start to have the vehicle in view. Check local regulations for any requirements. To start the vehicle remotely, press the lock button on the key fob. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the engine start button for at least 2 seconds. The doors will lock, the engine will start, the parking lights will turn on, and the heater and air conditioner may turn on if the system was on the last time the ignition switch was turned off. The engine will run once for about 20 minutes and then turn off. The vehicle needs to be driven above 4 miles per hour before the remote start procedure can be used again. To start driving, depress the brake pedal, then push the ignition switch. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.